What if the biggest breakthrough in how we move around the world came from one place? China is not just leading the way, they're rewriting the whole playbook. It's a revolution that's changing how we connect and experience the world. Imagine soaring faster than a commercial airplane, but entirely on land. While most countries are still stuck with steel wheels from the last century, China is launching futuristic trains that look like they've stepped out of a sci-fi movie, floating effortlessly above the tracks, never touching the ground, and engineering beasts built to break the sound barrier. The era of medium-distance air travel as we know it is about to be left behind. How fast is fast? Today we're showing you the 8 machines that could cut your commute to minutes. We're exploring the engineering genius behind the flawless Japanese, the tough German, and the stylish Italian icons. Don't blink when we reveal the technological monster from China sneaking in at number 8, but you absolutely have to see the unstoppable champion at number 1. It's not just a train, it's the vehicle that's redefining the speed of your life. At number 8, meet the Chinese T-Flight Maglev. Why settle for the travel limits we once thought were fixed? What if this isn't just a train following tracks, but the start of a whole new reality speeding at a pace so fast it almost defies belief? Hold on to your seat for this number. This machine reaches 1,000 kilometers per hour, that's over 620 miles per hour. Let's put that into perspective. A commercial Boeing 737 plane flies at about 550 miles per hour. This train is surpassing that speed on the ground. How is this even remotely possible? The key is that this train never ever touches the track. It floats completely in the air, suspended by powerful magnets. Since there is literally no physical contact, there is no friction to slow it down. It's like a bullet fired through a magnetic cannon, except the bullet is a full train of passengers. But the true secret to this insane speed is its radical environment. Vacuum tubes. Imagine every other train constantly fighting a wall of wind resistance. The T-Flight travels inside sealed tubes where there's almost no air. It's the same physics principle that allows spaceships to travel so fast. Without air resistance slowing you down, you can reach mind-boggling speeds. The results are flounder. This train will eventually cover the distance between Beijing and Shanghai, a journey that normally takes 4.5 hours on the world's fastest trains in less than 2 hours. It's a portal. This speed is completely redefining what it means to travel on land, making the T-Flight Maglev our fastest high-speed entry. Number 7, we have the machine that proved China no longer needs to rely on anyone else's technology, the CR2380A. This monster has held out an official test speed of 420 kilometers per hour, or about 261 miles per hour. That speed left rail engineers all over the world absolutely speechless when it was first tested. Its sleek aerodynamic design is said to be inspired by fighter jets featuring an elongated nose that cuts through the air like a knife. But the truly crazy part about this train isn't its top speed, it's its endurance. This train is designed to maintain a flaming speed of over 217 miles per hour for hundreds of kilometers without any noticeable drop in performance or fear of breakdown. The secret sauce is its advanced cooling system, which uses a technology called liquid air to keep the massive engines at the perfect operating temperature, even after hours of running at maximum power. What's even more impressive is its ability to constantly draw electricity while in motion, completely eliminating the need for any prolonged technical stops. China created an unstoppable machine here, capable of covering distances that in other countries would require a domestic flight. It's a workhorse of speed, and it earns its spot at number 7. Number 6. The CRH380D was designed for a maximum operational speed of 380 kilometers per hour, with a test speed that achieved 420 kilometers per hour. This was a major leap from earlier trains that ran at 200 and 250 kilometers per hour and showcased advanced engineering capabilities. While previous models often used Japanese or German technology as a base, this sleek machine is 100% Chinese design and engineering from scratch. Its most striking feature is something you would never expect in a high-speed train. It's practically silent. While other high-speed trains scream past you like a jet fighter, the CR380D passes like a ghost. You can stand next to the tracks and barely hear a whisper as it cruises by at over 350 kilometers per hour, 217 miles per hour. That famous dragon head design isn't just Chinese aesthetics, it's pure flawless aerodynamic engineering. That elongated curved nose cuts through the air so efficiently that it virtually eliminates all sound resistance. Chinese engineers achieved the impossible here, combining extreme speed with near-total silence. The CR380D announced to the world that China was officially in the golden age of high-speed rail. 5. Shinkansen. E5. The Shinkansen. E5 isn't just a train, it's a rolling lesson in perfection that has left the entire world in awe. This is Japan's fastest lucratively operating bullet train, reaching a top operational speed of 320 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour. But its true power is not just its speed, it's its legendary punctuality. The average delay for a Shinkansen train is just 18 seconds per year. Not per month, not per week, per year. It's designed to maintain an exact schedule with every single component calculated to function like a Swiss watch on rails. The automatic control system uses advanced artificial intelligence to detect and prevent problems before they even happen. The maintenance is so meticulous that crucial pieces are replaced well before they show the slightest sign of wear. The result is a safety record that is absolutely unmatched, 60 years of operation without a single fatal accident. The E5 uses a regenerative braking system so efficient that it actually produces more electricity than it consumes when traveling downhill. When other countries build fast trains, they aren't just conflicting with Japanese speed, they're conflicting with 6 decades of indisputable perfection. Number 4. The next-gen floater. L0 series. Maglev Japan has completely revolutionized the concept of rail travel with its innovative L0 series maglev. While the Chinese T-Flight is impressive, the L0 series holds the current world record for a train on a track clocking in at an absolutely breathtaking 603 kilometers per hour. That's 375 miles per hour. It's not commercially operational yet, but it's expected to enter service in 2027, and it promises to change absolutely everything we know about traveling on land. This revolutionary train uses a powerful superconducting magnetic levitation system that keeps it floating an incredible 10 centimeters, about 4 inches, above the tracks. It never touches anything. Its suspension technology is so sophisticated that it can maintain perfect stability even at these insane 375 miles per hour speeds. What's the immediate real-world impact? It will connect Tokyo with Osaka in just 67 minutes. That's a journey that currently takes over 2 hours on the fastest conventional Shinkansen. By eliminating friction and wear, Japan has opened the door to speeds that no wheeled train could ever achieve. The L0 series is a fusion of Japan's demanding safety standards with world record-setting speed, setting a new expectation for all future ground transport. Number 3. Germany's ICE-3. We now reach third place with the European powerhouse, the German ICE-3. This is Europe's fastest conventional train, maintaining the ironclad reputation of the nation that practically invented modern engineering. This beast has reached 368 kilometers per hour, 229 miles per hour, in tests, though it operates commercially at 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, for absolute safety. Its real secret is not pure speed, but something revolutionary. It's practically impossible for it to derail. The ICE-3 uses a technology called distributed traction, which means the power is spread throughout the train, allowing it to accelerate and brake more efficiently than any competitor. But the real engineering marvel is its active tilting system. It allows the train to take tight curves at speeds that would instantly derail other trains, all while maintaining perfect stability thanks to sensors that constantly monitor the track conditions in real time. German engineers took aerodynamics to an obsessive level. Every surface is mathematically optimized to reduce air resistance. The result is a machine of absolute precision that can run at high speeds for decades without failure, completely redefining what railway safety means. Number 2. The Italo AGV. Who would have thought the Italians would create the continent's fastest privately run train? We have the unexpected champion from Italy, the Italo AGV. This train reaches a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour, and is changing rail travel across Europe. It connects major Italian cities operating commercially at 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, with a level of efficiency that has impressed engineers across the entire continent. What makes the Italo unique is its design without traditional locomotives. Instead of all the power being concentrated at the front, the motors are distributed throughout the entire train. This allows it to accelerate faster and utilize interior space much better for passengers. Its construction uses ultra-light materials that significantly reduce the total weight, which of course means lower energy consumption and higher potential speed. The advanced suspension system is so refined that it eliminates practically all vibrations, creating a buttery, smooth travel experience even at maximum speed. The Italo AGV proves that a combination of intelligent aerodynamic design, advanced materials, and efficient power distribution can create an exceptionally fast and reliable transportation system. Number 1. Shinkansen Alpha X. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, meet the undisputed conventional train of the future. The machine that is officially setting the new world standard for rail speed. The experimental 10-car, 320-meter-long beast, the Shinkansen Alpha X. This technological marvel is absolutely shattering all current railway speed records, reaching an astonishing 400 kilometers per hour, in tests that's 249 miles per hour. It uses technology that sounds fictional. It constantly analyzes over 10,000 different data points, while traveling, monitoring everything from outside air temperature to the smallest micro-vibration. Its most striking feature is its extremely long, 22-meter nose that's a 72-foot nose, designed like the tip of a spear to pierce through the air with almost no resistance. But here's the most revolutionary part. It can actually change its shape while moving. The train is covered in sensors that detect strong crosswinds or sudden changes in air pressure, and the train automatically adjusts its position and shape to maintain extreme speed without losing stability. Its emergency braking system is equally impressive. It can bring the train to a complete stop from 249 miles per hour in just 2 minutes, easily surpassing all world safety standards. While the Alpha X is not yet commercially available, Japan promises it will enter service in 2030, establishing the new non-maglev world standard for railway speed. What we've just witnessed is the literal reality of ground transportation in 2025. From trains that effortlessly fly over magnetic fields at over 600 miles per hour to machines that are inches away from breaking the sound barrier on land, we are seeing a revolution that will fundamentally change how we travel. The question is no longer if these trains will replace airplanes for medium-distance travel, but how quickly it will happen, and whether the rest of the world will be able to keep up with this incredible innovation coming out of China and Japan.